In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and choosing connections right away. Then hit more connection settings, select printing and tap on default print service. Then just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use a different service, disable this one first. Go back. Hit download plugin and download the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Then just tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!